What is the value of fringe separation for a given Young's double-slit experiment? It's known that in the double-slit experiment, the value of bandwidth or fringe separation can be calculated using a formula beta is equal lambda d divided by t. Whereas lambda is representing the value of wavelength, which is given as 600 times 10 to the power negative 9 meter. Whereas D is representing the distance between a slit and the screen, which is given as 1 meter in the question. Whereas small d is representing the value of separation between a slit, which is given as 1.5 millimeter, which is nothing but 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 3 meter. Now we can apply all the values in a formula. So beta will be equal to 600 times 10 to the power negative 9 times 1 divided by 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 3. When we are simplifying this, we will get 4 times 10 to the power negative 4 meter as an answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D.